How to create a study plan for PMI. So the phase one, or we can do it on a weekly basis. So the foundation or the 21st 21 days for phase one will be of about week 1 to 3. Here you have to read the full ECO and mark every task and enabler. You have to skim through PMBOK 8 for principles, and not you don't have to memorize it, you just have to skim through it and understand. Then you have to understand Agile Practice Guide overview thoroughly. Then the phase two, which will be for weeks 4 to 7, here it will be of total 28 days. Here you have to deeply study all the three domains that are given using INSEAD's notes. Here you have to learn the two new topics that was given under business environment. The third one, which is AI and sustainability topics. And then you have to attempt about 150 plus situational practice questions also. Then we have phase three, which is week 8 to 10. It is the mock practice time where you have to practice for about 21 days. Where you have to do the 10 full mock exams that are timed and reviewed by INSEAD. Then you have to identify the domains in which you are weak, and you can also take help of your mentors. The mentors will be through the entire process. Mentor review sessions will be done twice weekly. And then there is phase four, which is week 11 to 13, this is the intensive revision phase where you will revise everything which you have studied in these three phases. You will also do 10 more full mocks under exam conditions, and you have a daily 30-minute exam review flashcard. And then you will have a final INSEC mentor sign-off session where they will give you final reviews and final tips and tricks to pass PMP. Then we have time management for working professionals. Basically, PMP preparation is while working full time is not very hard. It is achievable, but we have to have a right daily schedule. So the first is you need to have a weekday morning schedule where you have to study for 6 to 7 in the morning. You have to study one eco task and enabler, and also reread last day's preparations or yesterday's notes. Then there is a weekday lunch break where you attempt 5 to 7 situational practice questions. Then weekday evening where you have to do a 9 to 10 p.m. study session by watching INSEC mentor session or mock review. Then Saturday, you can do a one full mock, which is 3 hours and 50 minutes, as well as mentor reviews since Saturdays are off. And then you can go for Sunday where you have to dive into your weak areas, and you have to start off with a new topic.